try to make you proud, Spinester.
The train.
See ya!
And Spinester must not be let down by Kristen Martin.
When I feel sick, black balloons always have a way of lifting my spirits. I'm coming to Australia to get some eucalyptus tea. Should make Zachy all better. What's this? No, I said tea, not tree. What am I supposed to do with this?
I don't know. Bless you, Zach.
Fuzzy thing in here. Get rid of it, Zachbot. Can't you do anything without being programmed? Just attach the fuzzy thing to a few helium balloons and send it sailing, will you? See ya, fuzzhead. And next time you sneak into my jet, you bring me some eucalyptus tea.